In this video, I want to talk about why I think that AI will create a need for an internet native way of learning. But first, I want to make the distinction between internet enabled versus internet native. So to illustrate what I mean, we can look at how progress is made. Progress is made in two ways, horizontally or vertically. Whenever you're making progress horizontally, it's about making copies of something, it's about scaling something. Whereas when you make progress vertically, it's about doing something new. It's going from 0 to 1. So an example of what I mean is stablecoins versus Zelle or Venmo. Zelle or Venmo is really making progress horizontally because it allows you to make more transactions or send money to your friends far away. It's about scaling the amount of transactions that you can do. Stablecoins, on the other hand, are an example of vertical progress because it's money but in a completely different form. And because it's in a completely different form, it comes with other properties like programmability or the ability to be sent on the internet. So using this frame, I want to argue that much of the innovations around learning so far have been internet enabled. It's been about scaling horizontally, where an example of this would be online courses. We have a bunch of online courses. More people are viewing online courses and getting information. But if you want to get real results from your learning, you're going to have to go to the university and put in your 4 years in order to get your degree. But I think that this is going to change because of AI, just not in its current form. I think that in its current form, where it's a chat bot, it's going to do a lot more of internet enabled learning, where it's automating how you get your information. Instead of asking your teachers or posting on forums, you would just go to ChatGPT or Gemini and then ask your questions there. With that said, I do think that in its current form, it's going to create a need for an internet native way of learning, because from this study done by Harvard in 2024, AI tutors actually help students learn twice as much in less time. And what is going to happen is that some self-motivated students are going to be able to learn a lot faster and learn a lot more, but they're still going to be held back by this system that requires you to go at the rate of the syllabus or the semesters. And a lot of these students are going to want to opt out because they could just get so much more done. And this would create a need for a new kind of system, one that can scale to the size of the internet or go at the rate of the internet. And I think that for this system to exist, it would have to be internet native.